In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download McDonald's app on Android. We'll walk through the official, safest way to get the app using the Google Play Store, and I'll share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly from start to finish. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. You'll recognize it by the multicolored play icon. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up to open your app drawer and search for Play Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in with a Google account, since the Play Store needs both to download apps. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top. Type McDonald's and look through the results. You're looking for the official listing labeled McDonald's by McDonald's USA LLC. Checking the developer name is important because it helps you avoid look-alike apps. The official app typically features the familiar golden arches icon. Tap the listing to open its details page. Here you can see screenshots, a description, and reviews, which can be helpful if you want to confirm what the app offers in your region. When you're ready, tap Install. If you see Update or Open instead, that simply means the app is already on your device or there's an update available. While it downloads, you'll notice a progress bar. If your phone asks for confirmation to proceed or to accept terms, go ahead and approve those so the installation can complete. When the button switches to open, tap it to launch the app. On the first run, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, use your existing login. If you're new, follow the on-screen instructions to set one up. You may be asked to choose your country or region and to allow permissions like location, which helps the app find nearby restaurants and show relevant offers. You can adjust these permissions later in your device settings if you prefer. A quick but important tip: avoid downloading the app from APK websites or other unofficial sources. McDonald's may require the official Play Store version to work correctly, and users sometimes report errors with sideloaded copies. The Google Play Store not only verifies the app's integrity, but also keeps it updated automatically, which improves security and reliability. That's it. By using the Google Play Store, you ensure you have the legitimate McDonald's app installed safely and ready to use. Enjoy exploring the deals, placing orders, and finding your nearest location right from your Android phone.